Hey, so it's Lisa. I am sharing with you guys kind of my before of the office space. So I invite you guys, follow along with me this next week or two for sure. I'm going to be helping you guys out and getting super organized, not only with your budgets and your office space, your financials, some goals, healthy habits. I'm actually picking up a new whole desk setup today. I'm so excited to just reset for 2021. Guys, let's kick 2020 to the door, like forget about it and start fresh, a new year. I actually have those new cash envelopes. That's a little sneak peek, can't get too close, but those are coming out for the new year. If you have not subscribed to the newsletter, be sure to do that, link in the bio. So this is kind of the before area of my office. It definitely needs some love, some new organizing ideas, some new tips. What tips do you guys have? So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, so I am sharing with you guys kind of the after of my office space. If you saw the before, oh my goodness, obviously it was a hot mess, lots of cords, just no like systems. I just needed a reset for 2021 and starting the new year fresh. So I scooped up this desk through Facebook Marketplace. If you have not checked that out, highly encourage it. It is amazing. So this is actually a Dania 3-piece desk setup that I got for $140, which I thought was just a steal. It's great quality desk. It has the filing cabinets. It has kind of the bookshelf up top with some lock spots, desk areas or little drawers that I really needed. And so I just picked up a few decor items too. This one on top, I actually got that at Ross Dress for Less for a few bucks. I got this little white vase at a thrift shop for $2.99. That little plant I already had. So I love this. So I organized just kind of the top drawer of just office supplies. So that just keeps it a little bit more organized. I actually got these little bins just at the dollar store. So that just is helpful. I do my makeup on my desk space also, and so this is kind of my makeup space. I might still do a little bit of organizing of this because I use Ipsy, so I always kind of have a lot of different smaller products. If you have not checked out Ipsy, check it out. It's amazing. And then glasses, nail supplies, stuff like that. And then I love this, just going through like all of my filing. I have another filing cabinet, but I'm in the midst of kind of reorganizing that too for 2021. So stay tuned. I'll probably do another video on kind of how to organize all your paperwork. So I also organized all of the craft station. Oh my goodness, it was such a disaster. So this is kind of like just some fun movies and just some fun things. Got some puzzles in there. I've also got a few more puzzles underneath. I love doing puzzles. Don't you guys? Hit a thumbs up. Do you guys like to do puzzles? It's so relaxing. I really enjoy it. And it's just an easy, like fun, cheap thing to do in the wintertime. So coming up 2021, maybe find a few more puzzles to do. So this is just kind of like paper, some pens, stuff like that, just a few paper items to do crafts. And then this is kind of all of my craft bin stuff to kind of like do the fun projects. So I can't wait for winter to just do some crafting. Do you guys like to do crafts? Comment below. What favorite projects do you like to do? Anyways, guys, thought I would share just a few of the items. I did get this keyboard actually at Goodwill. I may swap it out for a wireless keyboard and mouse. I'm still deciding if I like it because I don't like all the cords. But the one thing I will say I was so excited about is less cords. There's still a few, but if you saw the before, oh my goodness, just so many cords. I hated it. It drove me crazy. It just felt so cluttered. So this just feels a lot less just crazy back here. And I can actually put the cords, I can tuck the cords right behind that wood paneling, which is great. I actually got this foot stand. If you're looking for a good foot stand, I actually got this at Ikea, I think for like $9.99. I'll put the link down below in the description. So this has been just so much less stuff and less declutter. Oh, and there's Zoe popping up. She likes to pop into my videos quite often. So yeah, and then this is kind of like my home organizing folders, just some work stuff, my planner. I'm actually going to probably share a fun video on how to organize kind of a home station, folders, things like that, starting 2021. So anyways, hit a thumbs up if this is helpful or got a few ideas to organize. Do you like it? I'm actually thinking about maybe painting this desk. I don't know. I'm pondering it. If you were to color or paint this desk, what color would you do? Gray, black, white? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. So anyways, thought I would share. If you have not subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button because I love sharing just organizing, planning, frugal living, meal prep ideas, inspiration, encouragement, and so much more, guys. So stay tuned for the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.